Hello everyone, this is lesson number 36, HSK 3, part 12 in your books. So, let's repeat what we learned before. We learned we learned 护照 passport, 护照太阳 sun, 太阳黑板 blackboard 行李箱 suitcase 画 picture or painting 包 bag or sack sea vest or a luggage also 生气 to get angry 自己 oneself or own 发现 to find out, to discover something. So the first one for today is let me close. First one for today, 起飞 to take off. As you can see, 起 here is represent to movement towards up, so up. 飞 it's to fly, so to take off, for example, airplane. The plane will take off immediately. 飞机马上起飞了。飞机 flying fly vehicle or plane. 飞机机 it's more like 马上 immediately 马上 or at the moment once immediately 起飞 to take off and 了 represent that the situation will change, so he's not anymore standing, he will fly. 飞机马上起飞了 As you can see, it's future, but we still use 了 because it doesn't mean past simple. It's mean sometimes it's mean change of situation. 飞机马上起飞了 Next one. He goes to the airport to watch the take off. 他去机场看起飞。他去 he goes to 机场 it's airport 机场 so vehicles it's 机 it's a short version of 飞机 and 场 it's here is like a field for something. 看起飞 to watch 看起飞 take off. Here is not verb, it's here is a noun, take off. 他去机场看起飞 Okay. Next one. You need to bring a passport before take off. 起飞前要带护照。起飞 to take off. 前 before, so before the takeoff. 要 you need to. 带 to bring, so 要带 you need to bring. So there is no word you, but it's implied. So 起飞前要带 to bring 护照 passport. In English, we need to say someone you. We cannot say just before take off, bring your passport, something like that. But we need to say you need. So, but here we can say 起飞前要带护照 passport. Okay. Next one it's 司机 driver. 机 here is a car. Yes, usually the car driver. 机 it's also vehicle. 司 it's here is just for politeness and represent occupation and represent maybe his master in this, something like that. So let's see. The driver drives very slowly. 司机开车很慢。司机开车很慢。The driver 司机开车 it's to drive a car, so we can say drives. 司机开车很慢 very 很慢 slowly 很慢 very slow very slowly. 司机开车很慢 we can say 司机开车开得很慢 or 开车的we don't need to say 开得很慢不可以说这样。司机开车很慢 very slow. Next one, the driver got angry. 司机生气了。生气 is to get angry, all right, for present perfect. 司机生气了。The driver got angry. 生气了。Next one, I go to the station with the driver. 我跟司机去车站。I'm with 司机 driver 去 to go to 车站 to drive a station. To drive station to the station. So 车站 it's a car and stop like station. So as you remember, it's usually a railway station because you need the driver not to go to bus station, right? 我跟 with someone 司机 driver 去 to go to where 车站 station to the station. So 我跟司机去车站 Next one, it's 教 first one 教 to teach. Let's see. I teach him to paint pictures. pictures. 我教他画画。我教他画画。我教 I teach 他 I teach him 画画。we can say 画画 or we can say 画画 but we cannot say 画画。画画。But also can say 画 or just say 画。teach 他画。I think it's just dialect. So to paint pictures. 我教他画画。Right. 画 here is to draw. 画 it's picture. So to draw, to paint the pictures. 画 that's why. But we can still say 画。我教他画画。教 the teacher teaches on the blackboard. 老师在黑板上教课。老师 teacher 在什么上 so on something. So 在黑板上 on blackboard 黑板教课教 to teach 课 lesson. So sometimes 课堂 or just 课教课 to teach a lesson. So the teachers teaches on the blackboard. 老师在黑板上教课。He teaches me to use chopsticks. 他教我用筷子。He 教我 teaches me 用 to use 筷子 chopsticks. 他教我用 to use 筷子 chopsticks. So 他教我用筷子。Okay, next one is 画 to picture, drawing, or to paint, to draw. So be careful. For example, I drew a picture. Before we learned 画 as a picture, not to draw, just exactly picture. 我画了一幅画。我画了 I draw, as you can see, past present perfect, so we use I drew the picture. 我画了 I drew 一幅 as you can see, we have a measure word, so it's definitely not a verb. 一幅画 a picture. So 我画了一幅画 I draw a picture. Next one. He draws the sun on the blackboard. 他在黑板上画太阳。He 在什么什么上 so on top of the something, so 他在黑板上 so on the blackboard 黑板上画 to draw 太阳 the sun 太阳 so he draws the sun on the blackboard 他在黑板上画太阳 Drawing pictures is very relaxing. 画画很放松。画画 to draw pictures. 画画 and is very 放松。画画很放松。So drawing pictures. 画画 to draw a picture. And is very 放松。Relaxing. 放松。画画 and 放松。So as you can see, it's adjective and 放松. And the last one for today is 需要 not 需要需要 需要 no 需要我需要需要 to need to require 需对对 I need need to require I need a new bag 我需要一个新包我需要 I need 一个 one 新 one new 包 bag so a new bag or one new bag 一个新包我需要一个新包 Okay, next one. You need a passport before takeoff. 起飞前需要护照 It's we already learned this sentence, right? 起飞 to take off, or just here's a noun take off. 起飞前 take off before or before the takeoff. 起飞前需要 you need 护照 passport. Especially international passport. 起飞前需要护照。And last one, he needs the driver to help. 他需要司机帮忙。他需要 he needs 司机 driver 帮忙。帮忙 it's here's to help 帮忙 it's to help, but here's noun help. You can say he needs the driver's help or the driver to help. So 他需要司机帮忙. So here is driver's help. I think it's more noun 帮忙. 他需要司机帮忙. Okay, let's repeat what we learned today. First one, 起飞 to take off. 司机 driver 司机教 first one to teach. 画 to picture or to draw, to paint or to draw. But remember, 画 is only picture, only drawing, right? 需要 to need, to require something. So we have one new idiom for today. Lesson 36, right? Before we learn 有声有色 vivid or lively. Before we learn 自由自在 free and easy, unrestrained. 自由自在 Today we learn new one. 忙里偷闲 It's very strange, right? A lot of new words. 忙 busy, 里 inside of something, 偷 it's steal. 偷小偷 it's thief. 偷 to steal. 闲 leisure. What does it mean? Snatch a moment of a leisure in a busy time. So, snatch a moment of a leisure in a busy time. He snatched a moment to drink tea in his busy schedule. So, 忙里偷闲 inside of business, or business inside of your busy time, you stole some leisure. So, 忙里偷闲 Let's see example. 他忙里偷闲喝杯茶 He 忙里偷闲 inside of his he stole time, he snatched a moment to do something in his busy schedule, you can say. 喝 to drink, 杯 it's a cup of, 茶 it's tea. So 喝杯茶 to drink a cup of tea. 他忙里偷闲喝杯茶 Very, very good one. So I think it's very useful. 忙里偷闲 你可以说you can say you are so busy, but you still be able to relax, right? To find time for your family or for relaxing. You can say 真的忙里偷闲的动作 movement. I don't know if you can use it like that, but still, this one is really interesting. 忙里偷闲 See you later. Okay, that's all for today. See you next one.